Hey everyone! Today's video is not like the others. It's vulnerable, it's raw, it's a little messy. Just like the relationship I have with the most important woman in my life, my mom. This Mother's Day, I want to say something that I have never really said out loud. At least, not like this. I have a can't live with you, can't live without you, Ma, kind of relationship with my mother. And if you are anything like me, emotional, intense, trying to heal, trying to make sense of the world, maybe you get it. See, I have my journey with mental health. It's just not mood swings. It's emotional spirals that feels like I'm drowning. And in the middle of all that, trying to hold on to relationships is really hard, especially with Ma. There were times when she didn't understand me, and I didn't understand her either. I would yell, she would stay silent. I would push away, she would try to hold on. There were days when we wouldn't talk. There were days when we couldn't talk. But there was also this one night. I was at my lowest. I didn't want to keep going. I was ready to let go. Her strength that night might have just saved my life. I'm still healing, still learning. And I know now she was trying her best always. So today I want to celebrate that complicated, beautiful, fragile, unbreakable bond I have with her. So here's something I'm making just for her, a little DIY gift. So she just loves plants, okay? So every single time I buy something, some plant for her, she's saying that it's too expensive. That doesn't matter how much the price is. So I'm planning to make some artificial plant for her by using masking tapes and glue gun. And I'm using some fabric bottles. This is not just the regular fabric bottles and the new one. This is the old one. I'm just giving it a makeover. Like I'm making over my relationship with Ma. So, Mom, if you are watching this, I know we have been through storms and silence and shouting. But I also know this, you never gave up on me. Even when I didn't know who I was. Even when I couldn't love myself. You loved me loudly, quietly, fiercely. Thank you for staying. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for teaching me that strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it just holds on. To anyone watching who has a complicated relationship with their Ma or with themselves, I see you. And I hope today brings you a little softness, a little healing. Ma, I love you. Wildly, imperfectly, and forever.